Ah, that I remember now.
And I said, oh, poor Hobbs, he's been displaced.
And you wish she would give more than... Ay, magsakit man akong dughan na niya. Look at my hubby now. Look at my baby. How cute he is now in toes. Look at that smile. Tikul. Katatapos ko lang naligo. Hindi ko alam kung na-good morning na ba ako. Good morning! Good morning guys sa inyo. Andito ito palang si Misty at saka si Roxy. So, andito sila sa taas. And, naghihintay ako ng snow, at saka wala pang snow, at sabi pa ng asawa ko, may snow daw na darating. Alam ko naman na may darating na snow, guys. Alam nyo bang nag-snow yung Texas, guys, for 7 years daw, sabi nila. At saka yung Florida, hindi naman sila talagang mag-snow. At saka yung Mexico, ay naku talaga, guys, nag-iba na talaga ang mundo. Dito, wala pang snow. Nalilit kami, guys. Kami pa naman ang makapa-snow talaga. Pero may snow na daw dun sa Albany. Dun sa capital of New York. Capital daw siya. Uy! Alam nyo ba, gusto ko nang mag-apply ng citizenship. At saka nag-start na akong, last night, nag-start na akong nanonood ng mga civic, citizen civic. Ganun daw yun. So, mag-study muna daw ako dun. So, dapat talagang i-upload at saka while driving, instead of listening music, I'm going to listen the CD or the upload video, hindi naman siya video para makikinig, para makuha ko talaga kung ano yung dapat mga answer. Kasi kung mag-apply ka daw ng citizenship, ano lang daw, 10 questions lang daw yung i-ano sa inyo. At sa ko naman, yung memory ko ba, may pagka-lose na itong memory ko. Lose memory na ako palagi, guys. Parang nasisira. Naka-remember pa pala ako. Anyway, so yung sa ano pa ako nag-study, yung sa elementary, high school, magaling ako sa mga memorize. Pero ngayon, guys, yung edad ko tumataas-taas, yung memory ko nagwala-wala din. Ano ko siya ba na, bakit ganito? Uy, bakit yung memory ko parang ano yung tawag nito, nagwawala-wala. Ba't ganito? And kaya kapag kami ni Tami mag-usap paggabi, pag nakatulog ako, at saka tumawag siya, I answer the phone. I don't even remember that, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba talagang ganito na hindi makaremember ng ganun. Kasi hindi ko talaga maalala. For example, last night, nakatulog ako, naghintay ako ng tumawag siya after watching a Christmas movie from Amazon Prime. Roxy, where are you? Misty na. Ano na naman iyan, Misty calls? Ano na naman iyan? Oy, Ginoo ko, Maria, oy. Ano man yan, oy? Okay, get down. Get down now. Get down. Mama's gonna get down. Get down. I love you. Hindi ko na siya naalala, tumawag siya, at saka, when I wake up, nung nagising ako mga 1 o'clock, sabi ko, hala, 1 o'clock na? Tumawag ba yung asawa ko? So, tininan ko sa telepono, guys, meron, guys, malapit ng 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Ba't tulog ako ganyan na? Ay, sobrang early ko matulog, guys. Iwan ko ba? Yun ako, guys. Gusto kong matulog maaga. At saka pag magising naman ako, sobrang aga. Sobrang aga talaga. 1 o'clock. And then I will try my best. 1 or 2 o'clock. I will try my best to go back to sleep. That I remember now.
And I said, oh, poor Hobbs, he's been displaced.
Now I remember it now.
My poor little man. He's don't count no more. He must be very sad.
No, he's fine.
Since he was a little baby, he's been sleeping with you every day since he was a little baby. And now all of a sudden, the dogs took his place.
Hon, dog doesn't take the place. It's just Hobbs doesn't beg to go up.
Yeah, because the dogs are there. He's like, it used to be just you and me. Now look.
So you think I'm gonna stop doing this?
I'm just saying. No, eventually he'll just join the crowd, but
hindi ako nag-foundation, guys, ha. Ito lang yung palagi kong ginagamit. Pag hindi ako nagpa-foundation, Ito yung ginagamit ko palagi. Alam nyo naman. O, tignan nyo. O, nakita na yung pinakadulo talaga. And this is the L'Oreal True Match Mineral. At saka yung lipstick ko pala yung ginamit ko is always naman, guys. Kung pupunta kayo sa drugstore, itong Maybelline Touch of Spice talaga siya. So, ito yung ginamit ko under my lips. At saka sa ibabaw yung ginamit ko is the same thing. L'Oreal, the same thing. Like, pareha lang sila Maybelline. Pero ito, mas light ito siya. This is in the shade of Darling Nude. At ito yun ang shade niya. Tignan nyo. Ito, focus, oh. Ito siya, guys. So, ito yung diferensya. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko talaga. Andito, yun pala yung dalawa. Natutulog lang sila, guys. Ito. At saka si si Misty, nasa ilalim ay. Nasa ilalim ang mitikos ni Mama. Oy, nasa ilalim ng ano ko. Ganyan. Ito pala, guys. Itatapon ko na lang ito, guys. The Estee Lauder na mascara. At saka itong, hindi ko alam kung anong brand ito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong brand ito. Guys, nag-start na, nag-snow, guys. Snow started already. I don't know if you can see. What? You hear a dog in the neighbor? Oh, my aso doon. Okay. Pero nakita nyo yung drop. Nag-snow na, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ito, guys, yung palaging gutom. Gutoman ito palagi, oy. Yung mantiman na mo, mantiman. Gutom yan palagi. At alam nyo ba kung anong ginagawa nitong bad cat na ito? Ang ginagawa lang naman nito is ino-open yung dog food. Yung bowl na may chicken. Ay, naku, ino-open niya. Nasaan yung sister mo? O, ba't nag-stop? Dahil binidyohan ko siya? Ay, talaga naman itong, ay nako, nag-stop siya dahil nag-video ako. Kaluka. Tawagan ko rin yung asawa ko at saka kakain ako. Alam nyo ba kung anong kakainin ko? Hindi ko alam. Who wants some bunchi? Who wants some 3-dish? 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 Tignan nyo ito. Tignan nyo. Get down, Misty. 3-dish? Come. Come. Roxy. Tingnan niya, nagwala. Come here, come in. Come in. I'm so mean. Ano bang klaseng mama ito? Okay, come in. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, because here it started like really little snowflake.
Oh, Roxy loves it. She's licking already the ground. She's licking the ground. She loves it.
You gotta learn to run around and catch them on the top.
Look, she is catching it because it's so windy. It's not so windy. It's windy. It's just like flying sideways. She catch it. Don't know. She's so happy. She's running around.
Yeah.
Look, she's leaking on the porch. She likes it. She likes it. She's my baby. She's a dog.
You gotta open the blinds for the cat. Stare at it.
Sa wakas, nag-enjoy na jud. Nag-snow na jud, guys. This is what I love about winter season, especially when it's snowing. When I'm in the kitchen, ang makikita mo na lang is yung sa labas nag-i-snow na sila. Ang ganda ng panahon na ang ganda. Snow Wonderland is snow, what the heck, that is, what the heck. Ipakiti ko sa inyo, guys, ha, yung tree andon sa labas namin. Yan, o, tignan nyo yung Christmas tree, guys. At gusto namin lagyan ng Christmas lights ni Tami, pero hindi namin kaya, guys, kasi, ano tawag nito? Tignan nyo, kaano siya kataas. Look, taas talaga siya, guys.
Walking around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around.
And you wish she would give more than your presents. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Christmas Day, oh, even the umbala umba
Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin.
Hi guys, nag-decide ako guys na ilabas ko tong jewelry box ko. Lagay ko kayo dyan ha. Kasi may mga katulad nito oh. Oh, relo. Relo siya. Wala namang battery, patay siya. I-ano ko to, I will keep this to give it to my family, to my sisters. Ito, itatapon ko ito. Kasi ano na siya, ay matagal na ito sa akin, pero itapon ko siya kasi hindi ko rin siya sinusuot, guys. Iwan ko, ano lang ito, guys, sobrang mura. As in yung mga galing sa China, yung mga binta. So yun, itatapon ko yan. Bumili din ako noon sa Forever 21 ng heart na necklace. Nitaya na ba? Anong tawag nito? It's really bad. So, heart siya, guys. I like it pa naman, pero tignan natin. Let's see kung makiklean ba to. I will try to keep this one, pero I'm not sure.
My aunt will do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear.
Oh my God, guys. While cleaning up my thing, nakita ko to, naalala ko, ito yung first BB tooth ni Dimples. Yan ang tinago ko siya, guys. Ang daming snow. Tignan niyo itong dalawa. Roxy's happy, look. They're both happy. Dimples to, tignan niyo. Nakisali dyan. Roxy. Psst. Roxy. Rox. Sana, I want to go with you guys out there. I want to go out with you, but what happened is I lost my boots. I don't know who took my boots. Uy, ginawa ko butsi. I don't know who took my boots, Rox, but it's gone, Rox. It is gone, baby. I cannot go outies with you. Oh, Josh, Josh. Ooh.
Would you forgive me?
2:45, 49 na almost 3 o'clock na guys, na ng hapon. Grabe yung snow sa katawan ng dalawang aso ko guys. So, I'm going to let them in the garage and tratrapuhan ko sila. I'm going to trapo-trapo them. Okay, I'm going to wipe you. Come. No, you cannot go inside wet. Okay? So this is what Mama needs to do all the time when you're outside and you come in. Inopen ko tong window. I mean not open, just the blind. Inopen ko yung blind and para makita ko yung snow sa labas at saka yung light sa labas. Tignan niyo. Oy, sobrang ganda. Basta lagi may snow and din saka may Christmas lights. Ganda talaga tignan. Ay, dito din. Tignan natin. Ay, nako. Tignan niyo naman. As in talaga. Yung snow, napakaganda talaga eh. Merry Christmas, everyone! Ito siya. At saka yung reflection sa light doon, nagre-reflect din dito doon, oh. Andun sa kabilang bahay across the street. Andun yung pusa. Kawawa talaga yung pusa, guys. Naawa ako sa pusa, guys. Ay, magsakit man akong dughan. Anyway. Sumakit yung dibdib ko sa kaisip. Narinig ko yung pusa. And ako, I just turned the yellow light. So, I'm sorry kung yellow ako sa tingin ninyo. Plus, I'm wearing yellow. So, yun. Naririnig ko talaga yung ano guys, yung pusa umiiyak as in. Andun sa kabilang street na yung may bahay doon. Andun. I know, at saka marami pa naman din siyang ano ulit. Yung mga kitten. Yung maliit na pusa. Tummy shoes. Kasi ayaw kong babasa yung ano ko, pangloob ko. So, ito tummy shoes. Come, let's go out. Oh, no, ambak-ambak with me, ha? Alas 8 na, andito pa ako at saka nag-i-snow pa rin, guys. Still snowing. Tignan nyo, guys. And, yep. Anyway, I'm going to sleep. We are going to bed. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Ang ginaw. Yeah, it's nice to be under the blanket. Anyway, guys, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow in the snow ground. Bye. Good luck. I don't wanna be here for you. I don't wanna wait for you. Ay, nakuda. Ay, tulion ta karon. Tulion ta kaya.